Why are they one of my favorite things? Because this little toilet paper roll is considered brown material, and you need brown material in your composter. You've got your green material, which is your food scraps, that kind of thing, but you need brown material in your composter. And that includes cardboard, which is a toilet paper roll. It includes dry leaves, wood chips, straw, sawdust, all kinds. You can put corn stalks. That's considered brown material, and that is part of what you need for composting. You need green material, which is your kitchen scraps, and you need brown material, which is all your cardboard, dry leaves, and that kind of thing. So one of my very favorite things, save these little toilet paper rolls. You know you're gonna have a lot of them. You can start, you know, break them down, rip them up, put them in your little composter on your kitchen counter, transfer them outside to your outdoor composter, and then that beautiful material goes on your garden. Awesome nutrients for your garden. Toilet paper rolls, who knew? Nature knew, that's who knew. So if you like this video, please like it, and you can comment. I love your comments, and I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener, and you have a great day.